How to fix Roblox widescreen glitch. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Roblox and then right click. Now go to properties. Okay, scroll down and look for properties. Tap this one and then go to compatibility. So once you tap this compatibility, you have to look for run this program in compatibility for. Tap this and make sure that this one is set to Windows 7. Now click this disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Tap apply and click OK. Now you have to open Roblox and make sure that the problem has been fixed. Now the second thing to do is to simply go to graphics settings. Okay, click open. Now this time you have to click this change default graphics settings and then you just have to turn this one on and restart your computer. Now if the problem still occurs, you just have to turn this off and then restart the computer. Sometimes this could be one of the reasons why you encounter glitch on your Roblox. So you just have to turn this one on or off. And then after that, restart computer. Now you have to open your Roblox and see if the problem has been fixed. So I do really hope that doing any of these methods will fix Roblox widescreen glitch. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.